Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best pressure washer. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss pressure washers which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sun Joe SPX Xtreme Pressure Washer. Light-duty washing doesn't get much more inexpensive or portable than this compact pressure washer. For your money, you get a foaming soap dispenser and 2 cleaning brushes, one general and the other designed to clean automotive wheels. You also get a full set of nozzles, 4. The machine's ergonomics are very good, the hose outlets, the on-off switch, and the carrying handle are well shaped and located to make this little machine easy to use. But it tips over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to its small wheels and vertical configuration. It's best confined to working on pavement. We worked the SPX 3000 very hard, harder than a homeowner probably would, and found its cord and GFCI were quite warm when we were done. There's only so much these small machines can withstand when you run them relentlessly on a summer day, with temperatures hovering between 80 and 90 degrees. Key features. Motor, 13 amps. Weight, 26.2 pounds. Cleaning power, 1700 psi. Max flow, 1.2 GPM. Hose length 20 feet. Number 2. Westinghouse gas-powered pressure washer. The Westinghouse WPX 2700 earned high marks in our field tests with its combination of cleaning power, maneuverability, relatively compact footprint, and competitive price. It also costs hundreds less than the next best gas pressure washer we tested, and it delivered a nearly identical cleaning performance. This gas-powered washer delivers ample water pressure for cleaning stains from the driveway, but not so much as to risk damaging a car's paint job. It has strong water pressure, a good flow rate, and up to 2.3 GPM for 2700 psi, so it is suitable for most tough outdoor cleaning chores, from washing mold stains off concrete on the highest setting to cleaning windows on the lowest setting. The large plastic wheels are less desirable than pneumatic tires for working off-road, but still offer decent mobility on uneven terrain. The Westinghouse power washer includes 4 quick connect nozzles and a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose. Another positive, this pressure washer features a built-in detergent tank for easy cleaning and a 1-gallon capacity gasoline tank. For users who want a dependable, powerful machine, the Westinghouse pressure washer does not disappoint. Pros. Built-in detergent tank. Moves 2.3 GPM. 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose. Cons. Gas-powered washers aren't eco-friendly. Number 3. Simpson Cleaning Gas Pressure Washer. Concrete driveways are notorious for collecting all manner of grease and antifreeze spills that seep into their porous surface. Removing tough stains on concrete takes a pressure washer that generates some real power, and the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer fits the bill. The MegaShot features a powerful 3200 psi spray and delivers a generous 2.5 GPM flow rate for powering off even stubborn mud and stains. The washer boasts oversized 10-inch wheels and a welded steel handle for maneuverability. Buyers receive 5 quick connect nozzles that fit the washer's wand, which is ergonomically designed for comfort and control. The MegaShot includes a 25-foot high-pressure hose. The 190 cubic centimeters Honda gas engine on this pressure washer ran quieter, with better fuel efficiency, and equivalent, noticeable, power compared to the similarly sized gas models we tested. We also liked the Simpson MegaShot's pneumatic tires for moving across rough, uneven ground. The compact size and low profile made it much easier to stow away than the bigger, bulkier gas units. The price is what kept it from earning the Best Overall award. Pros. 10-inch pneumatic tires and a welded steel handle. Ergonomically designed wand. 25-foot high-pressure hose. Cons. Pressure hose is stiff and somewhat cumbersome to maneuver. Number 4. Wholesun 3000 PSI Pressure Washer. The Wholesun 3000 PSI is one of the most affordable models in our test fleet. Despite its low price tag, it offers impressive results in our cleaning tests. Though it provides a relatively low pressure per square inch, this washer moves a lot of water. Spraying more gallons per minute helps it clean faster and better. We observed this firsthand when we used it to wash activated charcoal out of a carpet several times in between 4.5 to 5 minutes. This washer is also easy to move around at 16.3 pounds and has one of the most compact dimensions. We appreciate how much less maintenance an electric engine requires as compared to a gas option. Of course, it's good that the Wholesun is easy to carry since its small plastic wheels aren't ideal. And, at 27 inches tall, it's too short to push or pull comfortably. It also tips over easily and lacks built-in storage options for its 5 nozzle options. 4 of the nozzles provide a 0, 15, 25, and 40-degree spray angle. A 5th disperses soap, but you have to screw a bottle of detergent to the spray gun itself, which is clunky. Similarly, the garden hose attachment point can be hard to access. Despite these minor failings, we believe the Wholesun offers an excellent value for a bargain washer that packs a powerful cleaning punch. Pros: impressive cleaning abilities. Compact and easy to carry. Easier to maintain than gas models. Cons: small wheels tip easily. Number 5. Stanley SHP 2150 Electric Pressure Washer. The Stanley SHP 2150 was the best electric pressure washer we tested, offering an excellent bang for the buck. In our tests, it cleaned as well as the gas-powered pressure washers. The soft, flexible pressure hose was easy to maneuver during setup and cleanup, and it provided good reach while cleaning. The 6-inch wheels are a bit undersized for working on unpaved surfaces, but this is a good choice for a variety of driveway projects. It pushes 1.4 GPM at up to 2150 psi, which is great for all-purpose jobs like washing the car, deck, or sidewalk. The unit weighs just a little more than 25 pounds, making it a lightweight choice. It comes with a flexible 25-foot pressure hose, a 35-foot power cord, and a detergent bottle with a foam spray nozzle. The kit also includes 4 quick connect spray tips ranging from 0 to 40 degrees. Pros: kit includes 4 spray tips and a foam cannon. Flexible 25-foot pressure hose. Compact design for portability and storage. Cons: molded trigger is less comfortable for extended use. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.